Hello, I'm getting a little bit better now, so I can start talking a bit normaler. Anyway, enough about the fruit. Something come in the post today. I have no clue who it's from, but feeling it, I don't know whether it's two or just a pack. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy, as I say. I've only got the one, so may as well show you there. Ah! Ugh. Ooh, it's nice Blu-ray. It is the complete first and second series of Being Human. Highly recommended. So that's the front, the back, the spine, series 1 cover, series 1 back, series 1 spine. There are 2 discs in each. Disc 2, disc 1, that's season 1, series 1, series 2, front, back, spine. This has three discs in it. Disc 1, disc 2, disc 3. I've just got to get the other 3. So just going to put it back in its box. So this is what I got today. I hope you like what I got, and I will see you all soon. Ta-ta. Bye bye.